Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to create line shape file in QGIS. If you want to work in QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Let's start. Here is our QGIS and we go to layer. After layer we go to create layer and go to new temporary scratch layer and we write here layer name, we write here line and geometry type line and our projection default and OK. Our shape file created. If you want to draw line, we select it, select toggle editing and here is highlighted line feature. We select it and first point and second point, third point, and after ending we right click. Our line is created. We draw next line, first point, second point and right click. Our line is created. If you want to see property, you go to table. Here is two attribute tables and but attribute nothing. And if you want to see in information only, you go to identifier and you select here identify. Here is all information. So our line feature created successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.